Hi, I'm James, and welcome back to Newegg Now. Camera drones are everywhere, and whether you're a professional videographer or just an enthusiast, they've become an important tool for any filmmaking arsenal. Today, we're taking a look at a top-of-the-line consumer camera drone from the industry leaders DJI. It's the DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo, which is highly recommended. Let's have a look at what's inside the box. Okay, first up, let's have a look at what comes with the Fly More Combo. So, first of all, this bag comes with it. We're going to open up the bag. I'll show you what comes with the standard Air 2S set. We have, of course, your drone here. I'll just open that up. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. So here you have the Air 2S drone. Get a quick look at that. Pretty lightweight. Battery's already attached as well. Now, this also comes with, of course, your controller. Very ergonomic, light in your hand. Okay, so that's the standard Air 2S set. Now, what's extra in the Fly More Combo? This includes 2 extra intelligent flight batteries. I'll take these out for longer flight times. There's your batteries, and it comes with a battery charging hub, which is right here. And there's a cable for that. There it is. Also part of the battery charging hub. Also, it comes with a power bank adapter providing longer flight time and a higher charging efficiency. It also comes with this shoulder bag I just mentioned and a set of handy ND filters. Let me dig those out. There's a cable. Those are ND filters. Here we go. Now, this is really handy if you intend to be shooting in sunlight, which probably will be. ND filters, of course, come with 4, 8, 16, and 32. And what you can do with these is actually, if you're new to drones, you can actually just pop off this cover and very, very easily, here we have the 4-stop ND filter. I'm just going to put that on, quick twist, and you're good to go. And what that's going to do is actually reduce, of course, the light getting into your lens to avoid overexposure. Now, as we keep going here, I want to point this out. These enable vivid images even with low ISO values when you're shooting time-lapse photography as well. And it comes with 3 spare pairs of low noise propellers. We've got those stashed right up here in the top of our bag. So here are all the extra propellers and other accessories that the Fly More Combo will come with. I'll just lay these out here. All right. There you have it, lots of handy accessories. For me, I think the highlight of this is, of course, the extra batteries. Extra battery life, very, very important, especially if you're way out there in the wilderness looking to do some drone flying. You really don't want to run out of battery power and have to head back to your vehicle to recharge. So here's a look at what comes included with the Fly More Combo. For a small additional cost, the DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo includes some must-have accessories that will make flying easier and more enjoyable. Okay, let's get into the specs of the drone itself. If you're already familiar with the DJI Air 2 and want to skip straight to the list of upgrades in the Air 2S, let's start with the image quality. The Air 2S features a 1-inch CMOS 20MP sensor. That's an upgrade over the half-inch 12MP sensor of the Air 2. It's a big upgrade. The camera sensor dictates how much light can be processed with bigger sensors and bigger pixels, capturing more image information and producing a better quality picture. The Air 2S captures more information from the highlights, midtones, and shadows of your image, which is especially important when you're dealing with very bright highlights on sunny days or when you're shooting in low light in the evening. If you like to shoot in darker environments, the upgraded sensor will allow you to shoot at a lower ISO, making for a sharper image with less noise. Beyond its improved sensor and low light capabilities, the Air 2S is also capable of shooting 5.4K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second with its 20mm wide-angle lens. It has improved exposure, sensitivity, and dynamic range, capturing still images up to 12.6 stops in RAW to give you all kinds of photo editing options in post-processing. While we're talking about post, its 10-bit D-Log-M color profile can record up to 1 billion colors while retaining all the little details. If you're someone who likes to color grade in post, this is a key feature, as your image will have all sorts of information with you to work with. In terms of its video codec, video is captured as H.265 at 150 Mbps. That's a higher quality video file than DJI's other drones, with the Air 2, for example, coming in at just 120 Mbps. Once your drone is up in the air, it has all of the great modern automation features we've come to expect from DJI. The Air 2S's focus tracking settings include Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, allowing the Air 2S to follow a circle around your object with just a few taps of the finger. But where the Air 2S has really outdone itself is with a new feature called Master Shots. It's not only intelligent tracking. Master Shots will have the drone automatically find and shoot a collection of amazing angles and movements based on its pre-designed templates. Master Shots is similar to Quick Shots, which can be found on the previous DJI models. The difference is that Quick Shots prepares just one automatic flight route. Master Shots can send your drone on a long list of automatic flight routes from 20 available templates designed by professionals, capturing sequence after sequence of great footage automatically. You can even automate the editing process with pre-packaged filters, music, and transitions. Super cinematic shot sequences and even a polished edited video are just a tap away. If you're looking to get a little more manual, however, Pro Mode has all of the adjustable settings you'll want. You can tinker with shutter, color temperature, and a variety of other customizable options. So on top of the better camera sensor and the Master Shot system I just mentioned, you'll also find there's improved obstacle avoidance due to the upward-facing dual vision sensors you'll find here. Now, in terms of its range, it has 7.5 miles of video transmission range. That's if it's unobstructed and free of interference, and if you're in the US, that is FCC compliant. For weight, its compact body weighs less than 21 ounces. So that's a look at the DJI Air 2S Drone Fly More combo. It's available now at Newegg.com. While the Air 2 is a fine drone on its own right, if you're deciding between the Air 2 and the Air 2S here, the upgrades offered in the Air 2S are definitely worth considering, and I think they're worth the difference in price. This is a top-of-the-line drone with amazing picture quality that's really going to push what's possible, at least until the next DJI installment arrives. Check out the product link below and head over to Newegg.com to find deals on laptops, hardware, and accessories. On behalf of everyone here at Newegg Now, I'm James Oliver. Enjoy your tech, and I'll see you in the next one.